Thank you.
You see the way you are recovering? It gladdens my heart. It gives me this inner peace. Check the way my heart is so happy, see?
What's the meaning of that?
Are you a baby? Are you a child? I like you. And I like everything about you.
Are you okay? No, are you alright?
I'm alright.
You are my elder brother's wife, for God's sake. So what's the meaning of this nonsense?
I might be married to your brother, but you see, my heart belongs to you. My heart always longs for you. See how handsome and how cute you are. You shoulder all the responsibilities in this house. You are every woman's dream. And I swear, I must chop you.
Hello? Hello? What is happening here? No, since when did this start happening in this house now? Today, instead of you feeding my husband for me, as how now, his wife. Are you alright?
You see how ungrateful and how unfortunate you are? Instead of you to be grateful and thanking me for taking good care of this handsome man, you are here shouting. You want to bring down the roof of this house?
Have I ever asked for your assistance in taking care of my husband?
No.
I can take care of him myself. Come! This woman, warn yourself in this house and maintain your lane. Don't pass your boundary.
Allow me to step on the boundaries. Do you know? Because you are not doing your duty as a wife.
Yes.
When last did you take good care of this man? When last? Are you always at home? Madam?
She's right. Yes. When last did you take care of me as your husband?
Yes.
When last did you pamper me?
Are you serious?
You stop playing your role as a wife to me. So let those who are ready, let them play the role.
Is that what you are saying to me? Chassis.
Let me go and get you water so that you can calm yourself, okay?
Did I hear more?
Who got that water and show this shit? Check out.
What is it? No, what is it? I'm trying to sleep. You are disturbing me.
Why are you doing this to me now? We are husband and wife. And you should do what husband and wives are supposed to be doing. Why are you denying me my rights? I paid, and I paid in full.
So it's now you realize I'm your wife? No, I thought you said that I'm not performing my duties now. There are people out there that can do it better than me. So why are you disturbing me? Go outside, go and meet them. They can't do half and leave half for me. Go and meet them to do the rest.
What are you saying? I should sleep with my brother's wife? That's wrong now.
So it's dawning on you now that she's your brother's wife. And then you were in the parlor, she was spoon feeding you. You were opening your mouth. They were feeding you.
Oh my God, bro.
Please, don't disturb me. Go and meet them. Let them finish the work. As for me, everywhere is closed. Don't disturb me, oh.
Honey, please help me. I'm in the mood. Even if it's a cap, let me do one.
I know Jesus. For the struggle. The suffer is real.
Bramigo.
Wando.
Bra, I want to draw your attention to something. The way your wife behaves around me, I don't like it. I'm not comfortable with it. The way she throws her body at me like lawyer, I don't like it. I'm not comfortable with it. Bruh, there are things we forbid in our culture. So I would like you to please educate your wife. If you wanna, you will let her know the things we forbid. Most of those things she's doing, they are abominable things in our culture. She's married to my elder brother, so she should be careful the way she throws her body at me. I don't like it. Me like lawyer. Please talk to your wife because.
Solo, now you dey talk this one so. You see why they know they help people? Solo, you were down. My wife said may help you, may they take care of you. Because your useless wife, they work up and down. My wife, you decide to help you, Solo. Solo, now you read me in the put. Solo, you know as they suffer. You know how many women reject me, and for my height, so they reject me. She decided to choose me.
You are getting this thing wrong. What I'm trying to say is that just caution your wife. I am not comfortable with the way she throws her body at me. I'm not comfortable. It doesn't make sense.
Solo, you being great. Solo, I say you being great. Because I allow you and your wife stay for this house, my inheritance, my property. That's why you get that mind today. They think, they read meaning to rubbish. So you see this thing, when do happen so? Uncle we hear about it. We go call meeting for this thing. Solo, I don't allow bygone be bygone. But for this one, so I go bygone.